So you just got your keys for your new house, but you're not sure what tools you need to maintain your yard. Well, today I'm going to share with you my 5 top tools I use around my yard. The first thing you need to get if you have a lawn to maintain is a lawnmower. Now, you don't need to get anything too crazy or fancy. Lawnmowers can get really expensive. All you need to do is get one that's going to cut your lawn. You can get a gas one, you can get a battery one, you could even get a self-propelled push mower. I don't recommend that because they can be a lot more work if you have a larger area to cover, but make sure you get a lawnmower that is suitable for the amount of lawn that you have to mow. Top tip would be to make sure the blades are sharp. If you don't have sharp blades, you're going to get a really uneven cut. Even if you have a yard that's full of weeds, having a sharp mower blade can make the lawn look much better. The next tool I'd recommend is a string trimmer. Whether you get a gas model or battery model, doesn't really matter. But the string trimmer is going to allow you to string trim areas of your yard that your lawnmower can't get to. It's also going to allow you to keep the pathways and walkways and flower beds nice and neat because you can use it as an edger to make sure that the grass doesn't encroach into areas that it's not meant to be in. Top tip for getting a new string trimmer would be get one that is attachment capable. There are so many attachments out there. There are chainsaws, there are hedge trimmers, there are brush cutters, there are snow shovels, and many other different types of attachments. This way you could have one power unit and multiple attachments attached to the string trimmer head. This way you can use your hedge trimmer to trim bushes in your flower bed, or you can use your brush cutter to go through any thick weeds that you have on your property that need to be maintained. This makes your string trimmer multi-purpose and allows you to maintain your yard much better. A good rake is going to help clearing out flower beds and anything else in your yard so much better. You can get a metal one, you can get a plastic one. I'd recommend you get a metal one first. This is more universal and it works better for pulling out things in your flower beds, and you can use it on your lawn to rake up leaves and things like that too. If you've got a little bit of a bigger budget, I'd get a plastic rake as well, because that is great for in the fall for clearing out leaves, or if you start hedge trimming any hedges or bushes you have on your property, that plastic rake is great for pulling out all the trimmings from that. The next tool I recommend you get is a wheelbarrow or yard cart. I have a Gorilla cart here, and this thing is awesome. I really like it because you don't have to carry the weight of the load that's in the cart. It's also got 4 wheels, and you can hook it up to your lawn tractor. Some of the smaller models, you can't hook it up to a lawn tractor, so you just have to pull it all by hand. But just getting a wheelbarrow or some way of carrying product from one side of your yard to another, say you want to mulch your flower beds, you need a way of getting the mulch from whatever vehicle you brought it in to where it needs to be. So having something like this is going to be great. Many options out there. I'll link some of my favorite down in the description below so you can go and check them out and get one that fits your need. But the Gorilla cart or a similar model like that is going to be my favorite, just because you don't have to carry so much weight and it can carry a lot more than a wheelbarrow. The next tool I'd recommend is a good shovel. There are many different types of shovels out there. Get one that fits the need of what job you think you have to do first. If you're going to be moving mulch or soil into a vegetable garden bed, I'd recommend you get one of these shovels here. This is easy to use and you can move a decent amount of product at one time. If you want a more universal shovel, I'd recommend you get one of these flat shovels like this here. This is great for edging flower beds or scraping things up off the ground if you need to pick up any debris that you've left on your driveway or a walkway. It can also be good for shoveling things like mulch as well, but I prefer to use one of these larger shovels for things like that. If you have a little bit more of a budget, I'd recommend you get one of each shovel, and that way when you get someone to come over and help you, you can give them the shovel to help you out, because I've got to remove a bunch of stump grindings, and having a second pair of hands just makes it go so much faster. Time for a bonus tool. If you have a property where there's going to be a bunch of leaves, I'd recommend you get a leaf blower. There are so many different types of leaf blowers out there. There are even leaf blowers that mulch as well. You don't need to get anything that fancy. You just need to get a leaf blower that can blow leaves around your yard and make clear up so much easier. When it comes to fall time, and if you're a new homeowner or you don't have a leaf blower, it's going to take you so much time to clear out your yard. So do me a favor, get yourself a leaf blower. You can get a battery one, you can get a gas one, you can even get a corded one. That's going to be your cheapest option if you want to just get something on a budget that can clear some leaves out of your yard. Bonus tip, if you're looking at getting battery tools, make sure to get a brand that has a leaf blower and a string trimmer. Sometimes you can get combination kits that price is just incredible. You couldn't buy the item separately for less. If you do end up buying a lawnmower from one tool brand and then buying a string trimmer from another tool brand, you may end up spending a lot more because you have to buy more batteries too. So if you're just getting started out and you're looking for the cheapest option to get started, buy one tool brand and then you can use the same battery on multiple different pieces of equipment. They're the tools every new homeowner should get to make sure their yard is clean and well maintained. If you did like this video and you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.